In today's video, I'll teach you how to filter Instagram likes by author. First of all, launch open Instagram. You can see over here Instagram has been opened. Initially, you'll be to this kind of interface. So if you want to filter the Instagram likes by the author, it is actually very simple. What you have to do is tap on the profile icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now you'll be led to your profile interface. Tap on the three lines that you can see at the top right corner of your screen in order to access the menu. You'll be able to see various options over here. Under the section for how you use Instagram, you'll be able to find this option for your activity. Tap on it. Now you'll be able to see all of your activities over here. At first, you'll be able to find this section for interactions. Over here, you'll be able to find this option for likes. So tap on it. Now you'll be able to see all of your liked posts over here. If you look at top, you'll be able to find several filters that you can apply. So if you want to filter the Instagram likes by the author, what you have to do is simply tap on this option, all authors. Now you'll be able to filter your likes by the author. You'll be able to see several authors over here, or you can also search for it. Simply tap on the search bar. After you do that, simply search for the authors. You'll be able to see the results over here. Simply check on the box right next to the author. Now after you do that, simply tap on the apply option that you can see on the screen. Now you'll be able to see the liked posts from those selected authors only. So like this, you'll be able to filter the Instagram likes by author. So that is how you filter Instagram likes by author. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.